Alright, for today we're going to make a fish world origami. Make sure that you have the right materials with you. Alright, let's get started. First, get a blue paper and fold it into half. Then fold a small area of the paper just like what I'm doing. Get a pencil and draw waves of water on the blue paper. After drawing the waves, cut the other side of the paper, the one that is not folded, and make sure you don't cut the paper too much up until the end. And fold the paper . Alright, now we need to make the corals and fishes for our fish world. You can have different color for the fish if you want. Same goes with the corals. After drawing our corals and fish, we need to cut it using a scissor and be careful using the scissor. Now let's draw some fishes. After drawing the fishes, we'll be cutting it again using the scissor. Alright, time to cut them. Be careful. You can ask your parents to help you while you cut. Same goes with the remaining fishes. Now make sure that you have a marker or a pen and draw highlight on the fish. With this, the fish will actually be more colorful and detailed. One more remaining. Alright, we're almost done. Now we need to place the corals and fishes using a glue. Place them on the blue paper and make sure that they are secure. Now we can place the fish. Now it looks like we have a mini aquarium. And there you have it! We're done making our fish world origami.